Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pork broth. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on about 2 to 3 pounds of pork bones. Rinse these bones very well under cold running water to clean them. Next, blanch the bones in a large pot of boiling water for about 10 minutes. This step helps remove impurities and ensures a clearer broth. After blanching, drain the bones and give them another quick rinse with cold water. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and clean broth. Now let's get those bones simmering. Transfer your prepared pork bones into a large stock pot. Add about 12 cups of cold water, ensuring the bones are fully submerged. For flavor, toss in 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of whole black peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil over medium-high heat. Once it reaches a boil, immediately reduce the heat to a very low simmer, just enough to see tiny bubbles. As your broth simmers, it's important to skim off any foam or scum that rises to the surface, especially during the first hour. This keeps your broth clear and clean. Let the broth gently simmer for at least 4 to 6 hours. The longer it simmers, the richer the flavor will be. In the final hour of cooking, stir in about 1 teaspoon of salt and a half teaspoon of white pepper to season your delicious broth. Once your broth has simmered to perfection, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a large, clean bowl. Discard all the bones and aromatics as their work is done. Let the rich, golden broth cool completely to room temperature. Then, transfer it into airtight containers or freezer-safe bags. This homemade pork broth can be refrigerated for up to 5 days or frozen for several months, ready for your next culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.